Back me up, baby. Hell yeah.
Like, my fucking coat. Dude, like, you know, it's like a lifestyle. Like,
when you pick up a guitar and start playing something, the first thing you play is
I live to rock, you know, like, whatever.
What's up?
Playing band's fucking stupid.
What's up?
Playing a band's fucking stupid.
Oh yeah? Why is it stupid?
You got all these wires and cables, and you're like, this is so whack.
You know, a lot of people have a lot of good things to say about Hamilton, and I agree. I love it here. And Ethan, if you're watching this, I love you. There's no other way to put it. I love you. Oh, sorry. So, when it comes to Ethan, stop that. When it comes to Ethan, give me your real thoughts and don't hold back.
Around the air?
Good point. So, what do you think? That's funny, I never thought about it like that. Get the fuck away from me. Fuck you.
Let's go talk to Joe from Music TV. Hey, actually no, we're not gonna talk to Joe. We're gonna talk to Nick. Nick from Music TV.
I'm done with the media. I'm done with the media.
Ryan, let's talk about the time. You know.
Yeah, it's most important to, just be a good person and listen to rock and roll music. All right.
You know. Talk about Dragon Ball Z.
My fucking shit's broken!
And there you have it. Wait, hold on. It's John.
I used to work at Hot Rags, so this moment means a lot to me.
Sick. What's up, man?
What's up?
Hamilton, Ontario! We are Knuckle Buck! Let's have some fun! Everybody move! Yo, let's keep it moving. Hey, Hamilton, let's keep it moving. Before getting right and right. To the west. But I'm the one who's wasted underneath. Boxing myself to underneath. Let's go! Appreciation keeps winning to without forgiving. Twice the effort, half the outcome. It's out here in that one world. Step by step forward, taking forward with every growth. Decay. Yo, move around. Yes, you got my pocket baby. And your feelings could be so figured out. 'Cause you got a fire in your eyes. And I've got a burning in my blood. Different always bothers me, but I can't picture myself. Yeah, jump, walk the fucking wall. Appreciation keeps winning on top. We got to get the it's like the effort, half the outcome. Why won't get forward? If it's too much to step on, taking forward with every crossroad. Decay. Hamilton, keep it coming. I've got what to talk about. My name is the different round. If I tell you the words are weighing you down, and somebody brought it down. Alright, everybody, let's see you move. Cross check, fight the turbo, change the overhead. Turn 15, and I'm disconnected. Overwhelmed, and I'm already stepping down. The questions flicker, but I'm too scared to speak out. Sing it nice and loud. Keep it coming. Make no mistake. We'll bring my change. Until we get you through something inside away. Running every fight. Turn the flames running dead. Let's go to our fucking move. Right now. Yeah. So goddamn procrastinating your brain. Jump on your brain and make you always I don't know what to sell. Get back, it's all talk in the road. Education only taught you what it was to know. Yeah. Sing it back. Yeah. Yeah. So that's wrapped in permanent. You can learn it by the one that's having first in the life. So sit back and turn out the fire. Because the waiting is something you'll never get back. Everyone, get to the mountain. Everyone, find some life to there's so much just like me. You need this on today. Yo, keep it moving. Holy shit, Hamilton, what's up? Is everybody doing okay? Right up front here. You guys good right here? Cool. Someone lost the phone. No, it's from, the thing's from Montero. Y'all pass that shit around, find out whose phone that is. Yo, pass that. Wait, what's on the back? What's on the back? It's you? Yeah, pass it that way. That's what's up. We get the phone back? Yeah! Yo, so you guys are having a good time tonight? Cool. Yo, make some noise for the first band that played, Jenny Bones! Oh, fuck yeah. We put out an album called Copacetic a couple years ago. Anyone hear that? Cool, here's two off that. Poison Pen. Don't get the fuck up here! I'm never back into the bottom of my That's everybody still doing okay? Fuck yeah. One more time. Is everybody still doing okay? Alright, one guy back here is like, no, stop the show.
So I think this is our first time, I know this is our first time playing this venue. So yo, thanks for coming out. Has anybody seen us play before? Cool. And the rest of you are seeing us for the first time, yeah? Dope. Thank you guys for being here. Thanks for coming back. Haha, we will. So this next song is about family. It goes out to all of you. Without you, we would not be here. I also love these guys, so this one's called Bedford Falls. Let's go! Boom! Outside this house are not the only thing you. I know you hate yourself. It's the only common ground that we can depend on. See your face because you never deserve this. And while it's dying at this desk, you're dying in your head. For life you won't be stripped. Right there, all the things I thought and I lied all along. You were different moments of millions of seven months. Inside of everything, my life included. For sacrificing happiness while I stay secluded. Nice and loud. And I never ever hold you down, cutting down your branches. We put out a record in October called Shapeshifter. How many of you guys have heard that? Fuck yeah. If you haven't checked Shapeshifter out, thank you. It is an album of songs that we're super fucking happy with. And it took us a long time to get to the final product. But I think that it was worth it. So you see the song goes out to Seaway. Yeah, this one's for our homies in Seaway. Want me around. with us. The comments in what's good, the music simply understood. There's no reason you don't want me to go, go, when the blanket's freezing cold and the city's underground, feel me like the snow, filling up without a sound, to melt back into view. Keep it coming. By the time we make this day, baby, the postcard on the floor, food up like before. They say that time is everything, but it's only everything. Back to comments and what's good, we'll be simply understood. There's a reason you don't want me around. The way say that's okay, but I don't buy the rules you make. It's a secret you don't want me around. When you watch my heart explode, shall brilliant disguise. The darker shade of doubt. By the time we wasted say, be there. Got the postcard on your porch, the phone up a little warm. And they say that time is everything, and what is time is everything. You're right, like the door and see what's there. We can simply understand. There's a reason you don't want me around. You better say that's okay, but I want you to like it's a secret you don't want me around. Let's go! Want me around. Got better ways to be around. You with me around, sometimes it's moving away. I'm better sometimes it's moving away. So here we come, see what's good, or is it? That's okay, but I don't bother what you make. Like it's a secret you don't want me around. Come on, back to comments and what's good, or is it simply understood? There's a reason you don't want me around. That's okay, but I don't bother what you make. Like it's a secret you don't want me around. Thanks. Are you guys still with us? What'd you guys think of Hot Mulligan? Hell yeah. We're about a week into this tour, and it's fucking awesome. Thank you guys for being a part of it, for real. It's fucking dope. See you at Warped. So, like Nick said, we put out an album called Shapeshifter, and yeah, we did. And we worked real hard on it, and we're super proud of it. So we hope you guys like it. These guys are my best friends, and I don't get the kind of satisfaction from anything else that I get from doing this. So thank you guys for supporting us. Thank you guys for being my bros. This song is called Gone. Anytime, man, anytime. Come on, jump, jump. Jump, jump. Here we go. I take part to the past, but not myself. Don't retrace like everybody else. Yo, did it as well. Black heels on the white jungle. Took 7 years for you back to realign. But I still think of you on the 5th of June. Still I saw you and lost you all over again. Can you sing it? But it feels good to be invisible. Just like the way I used to be. Don't you feel yourself outside of my mind? I'm not sure you remember. Just to leave you remember. Till you throw it all away. You throw it all away. There's a breaking down my ghost. So I get off with people let me down. There's nothing wrong. Don't get back up. But it feels good to be invisible. Just like the way I used to be. Like anything. Just so gone. Thanks so much for coming out tonight. We are Knuckle Black. Sing along if you know it. My mic is not working.
Check. So we're here with Mello. He's the merch guy. Yo, tell us about the time. You know.
So this one time we were like in Boston, but hold on, John knows the story better.
Hey, John.
I'm done with the media.
And there you have it. Any final words, Mello?
I love you, Dad. I wish you'd let me back.
And we're back. This one came out in a split. The only split we've ever done. Fences. When I say go, you all run to the middle. Go! Let's hear it. I'm not getting anywhere. If I never did the ones who I still go to a better place to grow. Not an echo of my love. Just grab silent for a second. Tell me why you won't be dead. Let's go. I just think about you and never brings up to back control. Let's go. Now that we both understand, stay on your side of the fence. Stay on your side. Stay on your side. Stay what you will, but I never am. I need you now. Just what you wanted to. Just what you wanted to. Just what you wanted to. This one's called No Good. No, my dad's a piece of shit. I'm not coming back. Oh, no, I'm not coming back. I'm not coming back. Yo, let's keep it up. My mind was a fortress, you didn't want to break through the trenches. Yes, only my brother. Day after day, I face the rest of what I made. But I'm never gonna feel this way. Everybody sing it! Find out in the back of my head. Brother, it's over. She said I'm done for the rest of the day. You're right, in a broken glass. I just can't even get there. I'm not young. It's people just like you that make the best of this I am. I'm always in the time with no right left to find. It's less than one point, what's the point? The 70s when I sound. It's people just like you. It's people just like you. That's the best I am. Go! Give me words inside. My guys in the back of my head. I'm just in the way there. So take your way here in a broken glass. I just can't keep it together. You got the hat. Don't want you. I made you mine. Over again, don't want you. I made you. I want you. We're setting up Bitcoin payments. Next time we come back through, we'll take Bitcoin. Hey, Kevin, you're just mad because you didn't invest.
Who's got Bitcoin or some kind of cryptocurrency?
Yo, that's just the future.
Who doesn't? Who doesn't? Yeah!
All right, we're gonna stop there. That's enough.
That's a deep, deep hole.
I have money.
Give it up for the USD, or in your case, the Canadian dollar. The loony, the toe, all of it. We love it.
Yeah!
Right.
Yo!
This sucks.
Who loves Canada? Because I fucking love Canada. Yo, it feels appropriate, but fuck Donald Trump. Shit's fucked up, dude. Alright. This one's all copacetic. Untitled. Sing along if you know it. If you know the words.
Since you left, but for me that's progress. For me that's progress.
Keep singing! Louder!
Right just from my life, we're just a steady soul. Just gotta be so damn more. Free falling the floor and water. It's the one inside, it's the one inside. The stormy town. Must be walking far. You can look, but you can't touch. How many times can I say I'm wrong? I'm fine, let's go. I built my good old ship, but it's already because of you. I never just remember right when you don't just let me go. There's gotta be something more for me. More than breakwater furniture. Free falling the floor and water. It's on the sound, it's on the sound. I'll tell you everything is built for sale. Here we go. It's on the sound. Now you're out joking. It's on the sound. Now you're out it's on the sound. Everything is done for sale. It's on the
Hey, this is fucking awesome. Thank you so much, Hamilton. We're having a great time with you guys tonight. Are you having a good time? This guy's having a good time. That's what's up.
Okay, we'll play that in a moment. Wait! So hey, like I said a million times, we are eternally grateful for your support and allowing us to do the things that we want to do as a band. And just know that if you support us, we'll never make some music or release art that we think is bullshit. Everything we do comes from the heart. And yeah. Thanks for recognizing. Glad it resonates with you. This one's off Shapeshifter. It's called Conduit. Sing along if you know it, don't be shy. Don't clap, don't clap. I saw that. You know the words?
I had that dream again, grinding deep through an empty head. Losing control again. To forget is to become, by passing broken fingers through aching bones. You will awake again.
This is what we need you.
She said, tried every minute of my waking unconsciousness to start again. But the man in the doorway, he always had better plans. 'Cause an idle mind is the fault of idle hands. And you can't break the boy to forge a better man.
Again. A little louder.
Boy, water is under the surface. Why is it so hard to be a Boy, water is under the surface. But why is it so hard to be Sucking up to jogging against your I never wear it, I wear your back like that.
Thanks. We're gonna turn it back up to 11. We got 3 left. Pretense. Move!
Taking it worse than no one sees. With the bikes on the top of the trees. And after all of this, I still find it hard to believe. Show myself things you never did. You need a spotlight, I need a skin. Let's go! Can't take it, get out there. We're not sticking around again. You're really hurting for me. Only you in the dark with a broken flashlight. You're ready to jump in the pretense.
Keep it moving on the floor.
I will not follow in your footsteps. Find a place to call my own. Coming from basketball, so far back right now. Going to settle this, so we trust like getting on the act. It's a sword on a properly fighting for. The two and over credits a meter. Run on your own self-awareness. Your credibility is an offensive line of strong water. Over and over and over again. You love me with the toys and the faces. You love me with the toys and the faces.
We got a couple more. Yo, so make some noise for Boston Manor! We're super stoked to have them on the tour. We're super stoked about the whole lineup. It's been fun so far every night. We hope you guys enjoyed all the bands. Woo! Champagne Supernova, my friend. Yeah, so we got 2 songs left. Let's have some fun. Oh wait, I'm sorry. We have 3 songs left because there's nowhere. We're just gonna play 3 more. No encore. This one's called But Why Would You Care?
These hands are broken cameras, but nobody seems to notice. Do it. You yelled it into permanence.
Just like that.
Have you ever come to hate the very thing that you love to create? 'Cause that's how I feel every day. Can't touch it the way things go. I'm a ghost in my postal code. When the question was brings you home. Yeah. Yeah. I'm acceptable. But I guess that's just the way things go. I'm a ghost in boy postal code. Crazy question would bring you home. Running outside looking what? Get up here! Walking with sleeping. But I guess that's just the way things go. I'm a ghost in boy postal code. Maybe thank you and brings you home.
Help them out. Alright, as Joe said, we got a couple left for you. We're just gonna give you the encore right now. That's how we roll. Is that cool? Alright, cool. Alright, we got 2 left. This one's called Plastic Brains. We got 1 song left. Please make some noise for all the bands that have played tonight. Make some noise for yourselves for coming out. So let's call Transparency. Let's have some fun.
coming back to the place and notification. Jump. Get up. They're telling everyone who backs away. Tell them get back to me. Like it's a competition and a fight to keep yourself. It's all I want. It's for everyone to be aware of their roles and instead of practicing honesty, you pleasure your life for yourself for a treat. Want to see, guys will never get it. Last time, everybody move. Move! Hamilton, thank you. We are Knuckle Puck. See y'all next time. Woo! Thank you. More 311.